Today, I'm going to teach you how to check your Power BI desktop version. This is useful whenever you need to verify compatibility with specific features, troubleshoot issues, or ensure you're running the latest updates. Let's walk through this quick process step by step. First, you'll want to open your Power BI desktop application. Simply launch it from your desktop or start menu and wait for it to load completely. Once the application is open, you'll be ready to access the version information through the built-in Help menu. Now, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the main navigation ribbon. Here you need to click on Help. This section contains various support resources and information about your Power BI desktop installation. The Help menu is designed to provide quick access to documentation and system details that can assist you in managing your application effectively. After clicking on Help, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on About. This is the key step that will reveal all the technical details about your current Power BI desktop installation. The About section is specifically designed to display comprehensive information about the software you're using. A new window will pop up showing details about Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This window contains important information including version numbers, copyright details, and other relevant technical specifications. Take a moment to review the information presented here, as it can be helpful for troubleshooting or when contacting support. Within this window, you can see version clearly labeled. Right next to it, you'll find the specific version number of your Power BI desktop. This number typically follows a format like 2.125.1165.0, though yours may vary depending on when you last updated. This version number is what you'll need to reference when checking for updates or verifying compatibility requirements. And that's the version of your Power BI desktop. You now know exactly which version you're running, making it easier to manage updates and ensure compatibility with your data sources and reports. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.